Title: The Boy Who Never Gave Up. It was a cold morning. The wind was blowing softly through the empty streets. A young boy named Adam stood near a broken window looking outside. Adam lived in a small, old house with his father. Their life was not easy. They did not have much money, but they had hope. Adam looked at the sky and whispered, "One day, I will change my life." His father heard him and smiled. "Adam," his father said gently, "never stop believing in yourself." Adam nodded. He trusted his father. Every day, Adam walked 5 kilometers to school. His shoes were old, his bag was heavy, but his heart was strong. One day, on his way to school, Adam saw a group of boys laughing. They pointed at his old shoes. One boy said, "Look at his shoes! They are broken!" Another boy laughed. "He will never succeed." Adam felt hurt. He wanted to cry, but he did not stop walking. He remembered his father's words, "Your strength is inside you." That day, Adam studied harder than ever before. He stayed late in the library. He read every book he could find. His teacher noticed him. "Adam," she said, "why do you work so hard?" Adam replied, "Because I want a better future." His teacher smiled. "You will have one." Years passed. Adam grew older. Life was still difficult. Sometimes there was no electricity at home. Sometimes there was not enough food. But Adam never stopped learning. One night, Adam was studying under a streetlight. His father came and sat beside him. "Aren't you tired?" his father asked. Adam shook his head. "No, I am building my future." His father looked at him with pride. One day, Adam heard about a big science competition. The winner would receive a scholarship. This was his chance. Adam worked day and night. He did not sleep much. He did not rest. He believed in his dream. The day of the competition arrived. Adam walked into a large room filled with smart students. They had expensive clothes. They had modern tools. Adam had simple clothes, but he had something stronger. He had courage. The judge asked, "Are you ready?" Adam took a deep breath. "Yes." He presented his project. His voice was calm. His mind was clear. When he finished, the room was silent. Then, people began to clap. Days later, the results were announced. Adam stood in the crowd. His heart was beating fast. The announcer said, "The winner is Adam." Adam could not believe it. He won. Tears filled his eyes. He ran home. "Father, Father, I won!" His father stood up. "You did it?" Adam nodded. "Yes, I did it." His father hugged him. "I always believed in you." That day changed everything. Adam received a scholarship. He went to a great university. He studied science. He worked harder than ever. Years later, Adam became a scientist. He helped people. He helped children. He helped families. One day, Adam returned to his old street. He saw the same broken houses. He saw children like him. He smiled. He built a school there. He gave children books. He gave them hope. One child asked him, "Were you always successful?" Adam smiled. "No." The child asked, "Were you always strong?" Adam said, "No, but I never gave up." The child asked, "What is the secret?" Adam looked at him and said, "Believe in yourself, work hard, never give up." The child smiled. In that moment, Adam knew his journey was complete. He was no longer the poor boy with broken shoes. He was the boy who never gave up. And that made all the difference. Moral: never give up. Your future is created by your courage, not your situation.